If you don't have much time but want to do a practical with students where they can see how the voltage or potential difference rules work, a nice simple thing is to get them to measure the potential difference of 3 cells individually, and once they've done that, they can then measure the potential difference of those cells in various combinations and various orientations. Based on the individual measurements, we'd expect the total from A plus B to give us 2.95 volts, so that's pretty close. We'd expect A plus C to give us 2.92 volts, and what do we actually get? 2.93 volts, so pretty close again. With all 3 cells in series, we'd expect to get a total of 4.45 volts, and pretty amazingly, that's exactly what we get. Next, we can try rotating cell B so it points in the opposite direction, which means we now need to subtract that when we're finding the total potential difference, which predicts 1.39 volts, and again, that's exactly what we get. Connecting A and C in opposite orientations, we would predict the total to be A minus C, which would be minus 0.08 volts, and we actually get minus 0.06 volts, so pretty close again.